Look. 6 verse 31. Do to others as you would have them do to you. Very good. Okay, come here. Sige. Ang una, si Res. Be, linya na. Linya. Oh, hoy, una, si Res. Wait.
Pagulat ay si.
Oh, lagi dara.
Pagulat.
Ay, linya. Make
Commandment.
Make a line. Ay, ako rin tawagon.
Dili magtuklod.
Di magtuklod. What can you say? What will you say? Very good. Si kinsa man eh, Lawrence. Okay, come here, Lawrence. What will you say? Thank you. Okay. Francis.
Matagan, maingog thank you.
What can you say? Thank you. Okay, si Dikonda yun. Hey, what can you say?
Thank you.
Very good. Kalibis. What can you say?
Thank you.
Oh, very good. Hoy, ang basura ha sa ilaban.
Damay si Gigi. Nya na.
Oh, yan yan.
Maglinya. Maglinya sa
What can you
likod.
say? Thank you. Very good. Sige, what can you say? Jigger.
Si Gigi na thank you.
Okay. Hoy, what can you say? Hoy, thank you.
Majibigin mo ron.
What can you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Apil ba ko? Guwang naman ka.
What can you say, baby?
Thank
Thank you. Very good.
Pulburon ng amo. Pulburon ng amo.
Jis ko buo.
Oh, isa.
Jis ko buo.
Hoy!
Yaks man mo anak.
Yay. May ako duha. Wala na, dili na balik.